Helen's Corner.
What is all these things? Can heavy hand Enugu? Is this how Enugu is now, 2020? Eh? Mirizoro what? What kind of deep pit is this? Na express for that matter?
That federal road guy about now.
Yeah, bro. Abapa 9 Mile Expressway. Yeah.
Federal road.
Ubodogu means what? Eh? About Transekulu be here because
No.
this is Transekulu now.
Sela, it's you Ubodogu here. Yeah, Ubodogu. Ah, Transekulu is as in it as in your other.
What is all these things?
2 years ago, this road was awarded to so many contractors, according to Channels Television. And then they already started the work. But just look at the state. Drive with me, please.
No. This is Enugu 2020. Oh, Enugu 2020 be fa. I work engineer video ya. Aka mi video na ekemene. Video we ha na aga. Yeah?
Money that would take us just some minutes took us an hour.
Oh, we have Enugu on the Expressway.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe Banyene even do to Ginaban.
And that's why I'm looking for where to pass now.
From who's that this road is not working again. Eh? My God.
To pass where?
Hey, let me see one cow.
Hey.
Man, I'm going to bazu here now.
Oh, yeah, can I make it cara, Bazi?
Making Ghana, but I'm
Make it cara. Federal road abandoned.
I'm going to have a block out. What is it? Bigger distance.
Open happened in trailer. Far back now. Maybe see again. All these big trucks and maybe so. I don't want to spoil the roads.
Can Drew Zaga or truck Sinaman Naga? That is like Hi. Oh my God. Enugu Nigeria 2020.
Follow you.
Yeah.
Mommy.
That trailer na puta. Because there's a pit here.
Hi.
Those boys now try to cover.
Oh
There's a
God.
pit there.
Oh God. Oh God. What is all this? Yeah, but Enugu on Icha Expressway. God. Eh? Mananka Sullivan Dave na Robo Federal Road. Nka Dave na Robo Federal Road. Nkonya na Robo Federal Road biko. Willie Kuno na akpa ya Obiano.
Allocation planning.
March this year, I saw a news on Vanguard Television that this road has been reallocated. And up till now, they have not started. I don't know if they have not given them the money they are supposed to start up this contract with. But I just want the government and people that are in charge to know that this road needs urgent and immediate attention. Please, let them do something about this road. Let them start this road immediately, please.
I would have advised you to be further.
Back actually bounce. Let me follow that trailer back.
Really heartbreaking that this is my state, honestly.
What is all these things? They go to Malicha State, Chuku Goziragozi. They go to natural resources, Chuku Nyerai. Eh? All this big truck, okay? Ekwesiri ịrụ ha mere obiche. That is rural who zone ke hiche.
Apart from that, other countries don't want time truck Japan. They have time. Yes, about daytime like this, competing with you on the roads. Huh?
I'm not, but I can look who's that again. I can't even go last time.
What are you doing like that? You must stay your lane, Abby.
The man on our horn, look, I fair. This type, in a chamotogi like this. Oh my God! In a guy is put a mechanic. It's walking. Jeffrey Abakaliki, Imano no titi Dave and Chia. I'm all him now. As a state governor, you can even do federal road.
Yes, now.
I didn't even know.
State governor.
Eh?
In Kakure Kita, 7 billion of Guinea. All federal road.
Just imagine. Eh? What stops them from not doing it and collect the allocation? And collect the money? On Enugu State and where they go. We have company in this Enugu more than Abakaliki. Keha in where on Enugu? Enugu can wait the call one age alo di also. Eh? Mathematics igeme ila pidanye nonu.
I solve maths. Who's all the
Oh yeah, kada tell 400 jibala also na. Never tinye di shi tinye ku shi side. Enugu 2020. I thought they said they've done all this road. Hi. Before I talk one of them, maybe I have another news. I am on Nazitata. Hi. Kema cigar, never cigar, Rebeni. Driving and solving mathematics. Looking for the exact place to put your tires so that oh my God.
Who is the governor? You think that Dave is the governor? Hey,
Your governor.
Your governor is
That devil.
Buruburu.
I love to go. Who's that guy? Who's that?